Wall.e, rogue robots. Hundreds of years ago, humans left their home, planet Earth. Waste and pollution had turned the planet into a rubbish dump. The humans always meant to go back. They left an army of robots behind to clean up all of their rubbish. The last of these was called wall.e. From time to time, the humans sent back probes to check if anything new had started to grow. They all came back negative until a probe boat called Eve came to Wall.e's sector. He showed her what he had just found. It was a plant. Eve had to take it away from Earth and back to her ship at once. Wall.e really liked Eve, so he decided to go with her. Eve expected the captain of the ship to head straight back to Earth as soon as he saw the plant. However, when she tried to show it to him, it had gone. "This probe must be defective," the captain told Otto, the autopilot. Another bot, Gopher, took Eve and Wall.e to the repair ward. In the repair ward, Wall.e met many reject bots while Eve was taken to the medical robots. Wall.e was worried that the medical robots might be hurting Eve, so he rushed over to help. Wall.e snatched Eve's arm from the medical robots. That's when he realized that they were just fixing her. Then he accidentally fired her blaster. Oops! The blaster destroyed the control panel in the ward and released the malfunctioning robots. Now they were free. They cheered Wall.e like a hero. Thanks to him, they could go anywhere. That is, until the alarm sounded. "Rogue robots!" it blared all over the ship. Eve didn't have time for this. She had to find that plant. Eve took Wall.e to an escape pod that would send him safely back home to Earth. Wall.e thought they were going together, but before Eve could explain her plan, someone came in. Wall.e and Eve hid. It was Gopher. He had stolen the plant. Otto and Gopher didn't want the humans to return to Earth. If the humans didn't know that plants were growing there again, they would stay in space forever. Gopher set the escape pod to self-destruct. The plant would be destroyed. Wall.e rushed in to grab the plant, but before he could get out again, the doors slammed shut and the escape pod blasted off. Wall.e pressed every button, but nothing could stop the self-destruct sequence. Eve knew that Wall.e had only a few seconds to get out. Then the escape pod exploded. "No!" cried Evie. She raced towards the explosion. What was that floating in space? It was Wall.e. He had rescued the plant. He had used the pod's fire extinguisher to propel himself through space. He was rather good at it. As they soared through space together, Eve realized it wasn't the plant that she needed most of all. It was Wall.e. The end.